everyone, nice to see you again. I'm Andini and I will guide you to do an experiment. We will looking for the differences and the similarities between monocotyledon and dicotyledon plants. But before we start it, please take your worksheet that I already provide in the Google Drive. The link is on the description box below. I will guide you to conduct this experiment until you can find the differences and the similarities between monocotyledon and dicotyledon plants. But do you know what is the characteristics of monocotyledon and dicotyledon plants? To help you answer these questions, go check out the video that I have provided with the link on the description box below. And after you watch the video, don't forget to come back here. See you! Welcome back again! So, how about the video? What can you get from the video? Please write your answer on your worksheet. So, monocotyledon is a plant that have one cotyledon. Their leaf veins is parallel and have the flower parts of trees or in multiple of three, and the vascular bundles is scattered in the stem. They do not have cambium and their roots are adventitious. While cotyledon is a plant that have two cotyledons, their leaf veins is ruticle, have flower parts in multiples 4 or 5, vascular bundles are arranged in ring pattern, and there is cambium, and their roots are taproot system. Do you believe it? Have you observed the differences and similarities between monocotyledon and dicotyledon plants directly with your own eyes? Nah, let me help you to do that. Hi, how about your plants? Are they grow into sprouts like mine? Um, my green bean seeds grow faster than the corn seeds. How about yours? I'm really curious about that. Please write on the comment below. Now, you already know about the differences of monocotyledons and dicotyledons plants. I think there is one thing that you haven't known yet. Yeah, the flowers. That's right, the flowers. You haven't observed the flower yet. Okay, so now let's see this picture and we will observe it together. You can see that the monocotyledon flowers have flower parts in trees are multiple of 3. For example, 3, 6, 9, and so on. But the cotyledon plants have the flower parts in four of or five. So to make it easier to remember, when you find the flower parts that have four or five, that is the dicotyledon plants. Other than that, that is the monocotyledon plants. You can get it right. My conclusion about this experiment is the differences between monocots and dicots plants are shown in their flower parts, roots, stems, and vascular bundles. And the similarities between monocots and dicots plants are both of them include in angiosperms, which are the plants or the flowering plants, because they both of them have flower, right? So that's it, my conclusion. How about yours? Please write it down on your worksheet. We have to say goodbye now. The experiment was so fun. We have so many days to wait the seeds to grow, become the sprouts, right? But it still was so fun. Don't you think so? Okay then, bye.